Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video on Artland, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Venomized Sonic. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Venomized Sonic, let's begin right here at the eyes. So I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to come down and then up here. We'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go down and then we're just going to bring it up. I'm going to put a little notch at the top of each eye. And then I'm just going to bring this down and up. And same thing over here. We're just going to bring this down and up. I'm going to put a little oval right in the middle, and we're just going to color that in, leaving just a tiny bit white. Then we'll make a little line that curves down on each side. We'll make a line that comes down, and I'm going to stop it right there. We'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to bring this down, but I'm going to leave that space open. Right inside of here, I want to make a nice big smile. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come, it's going to stop right in here so it lines up with that space. Same thing here, we're going to stop it right there. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line up. We're going to come down, and then we're going to go out like this for a tongue. Then we're going to bring it back. We're going to make it nice and skinny, and we're just going to bring it right back to here. So you can see it's skinnier out here and a little bit bigger as it gets towards the mouth. I'm also going to add a little line coming down too for the tongue. Inside of here, let's add some teeth. So we're going to make some sharp little teeth in here. We'll do some on the top and just a couple on the bottom. I'm going to make a little line that comes down on each side, right above the eyes. Now up here at the top of the eye, let's make a line that's going to curve up to a point and then it's going to come back for an ear. We'll do the same thing over here. Let's curve up to a point and then we're going to bring it back down. We'll make that same shape inside of each one. And then we'll just draw a little line across to connect it. Now, starting up here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. It's going to be like at a rounded point, and then it's going to come back down. Starting here, I'm going to come out to a point, and then I'm going to bring it back up. Same thing here, I'm going to curve this out to a point and then bring it back up. Same thing here, out to a point and then bring it back. Over here we're going to come out to a point and we're going to bring it back, but we got to jump over the tongue. So just jump right over the tongue and bring it back there. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then this side will start right underneath the tongue, and we'll just kind of curve it in. I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to come back down. Same thing here, I'm going to come out and bring it back down. We're going to go over on each side. And then let's go ahead, we're going to bring it up and then in. Same thing here, we're going to go up and in, and we'll just connect it right there. We're going to curve around each side on here to start the socks, and then we'll make a line that's just going to curve all the way around to here. Same thing here, we're just going to curve all the way around. Now for his shoes, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to curve it back and up. Same thing here, we're going to curve this down, bring it back, and then up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make now like a wavy line on each shoe, just so it kind of looks like it's covered in like the venom. Like the venom symbiote. And then we'll just draw 2 lines here and 2 lines here. Just see those stripes. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then down. And then same thing here, we're just going to kind of go out and then down. We're going to curve it over, and I'm going to go up and then in. Bring it over, we're going to go up and then in. We'll make a little line that curves around on each side. And then we'll make one more here. One more that just curves around. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to curve down and up. Down and up. And one more, it's going to go down and then up. We'll do that same thing here. Just curve this down and up. Down and up. And down and then up. We're going to make one more that comes out and then back for the thumb. So we're just going to go out and then bring it back for the thumb. Now on here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up and then down, kind of like the top of Sonic's head. And I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down again. So we're going to go up and then down. And then starting down here, we're going to do that same thing, up and down, up and down. And then we're just going to come down and up here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and make 2 more of these little lines right here for some details. So we're just going to go up and down on each side. Then starting here, I'm going to add a little line right by each eye. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Venomized Sonic. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.